Hi, I'm Laura, this is Rebecca, and welcome to a festive edition of Bride Society.
It's nearly Christmas!
Hey!
The Christmas jumpers are out! And yes, I did make my own, in case you were wondering. Yes, slightly obsessed with Starbucks. If you've been watching Bride Society, you already know that about me. Anyway, so our Christmas roundup of the year. So it's been 51 videos, 237,000 views, and 9.1k hours of watched content by you guys. So thank you.
Yes.
We appreciate your dedication. So yeah, it's been a busy year. Yes.
Yeah, but we haven't done it alone.
No.
And you may have noticed at the beginning of the year we collaborated with Steph from The Secret Bridesmaid, and also I think last week
Yes.
she featured in our video.
I don't know, I lose track of time to be last week.
And Emma from Makeup by Emma, so I want to say thank you to them for joining us over here on our little corner of the internet.
Yes, honorary Bride Societies.
And there's more to come with both Emma and Steph in 2023, so
yes.
keep an eye out.
Yes, watch this space. Yes. So we got to thinking about what our favourite videos of 2022 were. And we'd also be interested to hear what your favourite video this year was, so do drop that in the comments below as well. But I'm thinking for me, probably our multi-way dress series that we did with Steph from The Secret Bridesmaid. It's kind of fun to be with someone else and like play dress up and like...
That was a good one.
Yeah, I got tied in knots all kind of different ways, and it was interesting because like when we did that one, there was no mirror in the room, so I didn't actually see any of them until the photos at the end. I just rely on Steph and Laura being like, yeah, that was good. Yeah. Like, okay.
You could have been put in any style.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have
Just wrap
known.
around my hair, just like mummy style. But I actually also enjoyed making some of my like cricket tutorials for you. This cricket tutorial is not on the channel, I'm afraid.
But if you'd like to see it, let us know.
Yeah. But yeah, I've done lots of those, probably because it's just a chance to kind of get creative, and a lot of the times they're things I haven't done before, but it's an idea that I've kind of had for the channel, and so I have to kind of get creative and try new skills myself, and so it does kind of force me to sort of stretch myself and to sort of experiment a little bit. So yeah, doing things like the eye masks, like the honeymoon in eye masks, or the Christmas crackers that just went up as well. So yeah, it's quite different, but yeah, experimental and creative. Scratch that creative part of your brain, yeah. What about you?
Yeah, I mean, it's difficult to choose really.
There's been 51 of them to choose from.
And such a varied like topics and DIYs and all sorts. I mean, it was good this year to get back to doing a couple of our try-on videos. The ASOS wedding dresses and the Coast bridesmaid dresses and the winter cover-ups as well that we've done recently, because we didn't manage to do any of those, I don't think, last year in 2021 for various reasons.
Probably not in 2020 either, unless we did them right at the start of the year.
Maybe,
because of the pandemic, obviously.
So that was getting back to seeing kind of what's out there currently and see what's happening kind of on the high street for weddings, as well as seeing obviously what's going on like in the bridal world as well.
Yes. So if you're not planning a winter wedding, but you are getting ready for Christmas, don't forget there is a lot of content on our channel, like DIY videos that aren't we gear them towards weddings, of course, but they lend themselves really well to any kind of Christmas party, Christmas gathering, your Christmas tables, those kind of things that can like really easily be adapted to those kind of things. So don't forget to check out those DIYs during this Christmas period too for plenty of inspiration. Honestly, like it varies from like napkin folding to the Christmas cracker making, personalised baubles for the tree, put little gifts in. So I say, although we made them as wedding favours, of course they can be party favours and all that kind of thing for your Christmas tables too. So don't forget to check those out, and we'll put some links in the description box below as well if you want to to get there quickly.
And if you're a person that does your Christmas shopping on Christmas Eve and are still looking for some last minute gift ideas and inspiration, check out our gift guide from a couple of weeks ago. Just there might be some ideas on there that you can rush out to the shops tomorrow and pick up before the big day.
We are taking a tiny, weeny little Christmas break, but we will be back with you on January 6th and then resuming normal scheduling. But in the meantime, we will of course miss you. And there is all the content we previously mentioned to keep you entertained. But if you do have any video requests, again, drop them in the comments below. We will see those and try to do our best to accommodate them in 2023.
Yeah, still can't quite believe it's going to be 2023. So yes, thank you for watching.
Yes.
We want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you're getting married in 2023, it's almost your year.
Yes, we expect to see lots of Instagram posts to that effect come January 1st.
Yeah. So thanks again for your support and watching this channel this year and since, well, for however long we've been going. For your continued support.
Yes.
And we look forward to making lots of videos for you again next year. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. And we'll see you next year.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.